We got some great news yesterday evening on VeChain. So here's the news, guys. VeChain going to be listed along with VETHOR, VTHO, on Coinbase. Now, we've been talking about VeChain for 2+ years now, and there's a reason why I've been invested in it, why I like it as an altcoin, because as I've said in the past, I think it has the best use case basically in all of crypto, right? Said another way, there's no better use case, right? There may be some that are right up there with VeChain, but no better use case than VeChain in terms of what they can do in supply chain management, whether it's retail, agriculture. We've seen 9 different areas that they could take this, and that's just what they're working on right now. And VeChain also getting into the wine industry. I talked about that in our previous video on VET, and it's great to see. VeChain already a top 40 crypto, ranked number 37. We'll take you inside the chart because we're up 13% on the news. Volume has picked up over 207% in terms of volume, 124 million in the last 24 hours. And again, up 13%. We're climbing closer and closer to that 2-cent mark. Keep in mind, just a week ago, we dipped all the way down here to about 1.5 cents, and you could see that nice rise that we've had, nice and steady rise here as we head closer and closer to 2 cents. Also keep in mind, VeChain in the previous run, back in 2021, it went to about 27 cents. And there were a lot of different opportunities to get VeChain around a penny, okay, during this bear market. Now, some may say the worst is behind us. I tend to agree with those people, right? But even here today, as Bitcoin's back up over 30,000, things have been looking on the up and up here in 2023. You're still looking at a 13.5, 14x to previous all-time highs for VeChain. Now getting listed on Coinbase, that should be a very, very bullish news piece as we head into the next bull market. And VeChain has been building like crazy. They have just continued to ink big partnerships. And I think the sky's the limit here for them in this next cycle. So just a quick little update on VeChain. If you haven't seen it yet, this was the tweet here by Coinbase Assets. Assets added the roadmap, VeChain and VTHOR heading there. And you can see here, this is the official release. The blog was updated as of July 1 as well on Coinbase in order for them to basically be fully transparent for new asset listings on Coinbase. They'll continue to announce these things. They did have a little bump in the road when some of the insiders at Coinbase caught wind of it. Now it's being very, very transparent and public about this sort of thing, and you're seeing the run-up here as people rush to get in. So, big question, is it time to get in? Obviously, not financial advice, but I've been in VeChain from around these levels back in 2021, and I've been patiently waiting for some, great news like this to break and people to realize the potential that VeChain has. So that's what I've got for you guys. Appreciate you so much. Happy Friday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend as well, and we'll see you in the next video.